with us hands-on, and they give really, really good supports. This is day 2 of the workshop, and I've really learned quite a bit.
Personally, it was a very insightful workshop for us for these 2 days.
First time in workshop like this is very interesting. I'm so excited to be here.
The sharing from the trainers are actually great in terms of the amount of demonstration. The examples I'm giving was so great.
I really like what they've done with Zoho One now, and I'm particularly excited in the chat today that discusses the roadmap.
For the Zoho One, we love the app, especially for the new recent updates. That's why it's kind of overwhelming, to be honest.
Or the usual marketing apps that I've been using. So I've learned here page stance, about analytics, or the data prep. That would be useful for me as a marketer to be more effective.
Even as someone who is an avid user of Zoho One, we did learn new things as well. And in terms of the responsiveness from the traders as well, actually great.
And I'm glad that they're here to slowly educate us on how to use, us the users, how to use different apps.
But maybe you can in future plan for a longer workshop.